Hi guys, this is part 14 from my life. So I'm in my garden to look from my string beans or if it's growing or not. Let's see. Wow, they very grow so fast. Very good string beans. It's so sunny today. I'm going to my house. Guys, I'm in my house and my bike is over here. There's my bike and the flowers. The chickens. Get out!
Me. The bird will now take a bath. Maligo siya. Swimming. Hindi ka tuloy yung maligo. Mimi! Tapos na? Dili pa? Tapos na? Tapos na?
Sabak kamay.
Kamayo dapat. Tawag ka sa punuan. Yeah, dito! Oh my God, yung kabalik! Shedang! Shedang yung mother bird. Uy, panawag! Gutom na?
Okay guys, this is the end of part 14 from my life. Bye! Stay safe everyone!